Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a reliable dash cam for safety, evidence, and peace of mind, this video is for you. Today we are reviewing the top 5 best top-selling dash cams of 2025, focusing on video quality, night vision, parking protection, smart features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K triple channel dash cam. The Vantrue N4 Pro S is a 3-channel dash cam recording 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p interior footage. It uses triple STARVIS 2 sensors, supports HDR, IR night vision, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, parking mode, and up to 1 terabyte storage. This dashcam delivers excellent video clarity in all conditions. The front camera captures sharp license plates, while the interior IR camera performs exceptionally well at night. Parking mode and GPS tracking make it ideal for rideshare drivers and daily commuters. Pros: triple camera coverage, outstanding night vision with STARVIS 2, supports very large storage capacity, reliable parking mode and GPS. Cons: higher price. Installation takes more time due to 3 cameras. The Vantrue N4 Pro S is the best choice for users who want complete vehicle coverage in premium video quality. Number 2. Wolfbox G850 Pro 4K Smart Mirror Dashcam. The Wolfbox G850 Pro is a 12-inch smart rear-view mirror dashcam featuring 4K recording, ADAS, blind spot detection, GPS, voice control, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. It includes a 64 GB memory card in the box. This mirror-style dashcam replaces your factory mirror with a bright, clear display. The wide rear camera improves visibility, and ADAS features add an extra layer of safety. Wi-Fi speeds are fast, making footage transfer quick and convenient. Pros: large, clear mirror display, ADAS and blind spot detection, fast Wi-Fi connection, includes memory card. Cons: touch controls may take time to get used to. Larger mirror may not suit all vehicles. The Wolfbox G850 Pro is ideal for drivers who want a modern smart mirror with advanced safety features. Number 3. Viofo A229 Pro 4K HDR dual channel dashcam. The Viofo A229 Pro records 4K front and 2K rear footage using dual STARVIS 2 sensors. It supports HDR, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, advanced night vision, and 24-hour parking mode. This dashcam is known for its excellent balance between performance and reliability. HDR video improves clarity in challenging lighting, and night footage is clean with minimal noise. The compact design makes it discreet on the windshield. Pros: excellent HDR video quality, strong night performance, compact and discreet design, reliable parking mode. Cons: no interior camera, memory card not included. The Viofo A229 Pro is a great option for users who want high-quality dual-channel recording without extra bulk. Number 4. 70mm 4K T800 3-channel dashcam with 4G LTE. The 70mm T800 is a 3-channel dashcam recording 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p interior video. It features STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR night vision, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, 4G LTE connectivity, ADAS, and 24-hour parking mode. A 512 GB memory card is included. This dashcam stands out with its cloud connectivity and remote access features. Video quality is excellent across all 3 cameras, and Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast data transfer. The 4G LTE feature allows remote monitoring when parked. Pros: triple camera with 4K front and 4K rear, cloud access via 4G LTE, fast Wi-Fi 6 performance, includes large memory card. Cons: requires data plan for 4G features, higher power consumption. The 70mm T800 is perfect for users who want smart cloud-connected dashcam technology. Number 5. Rove R2 4K Dual Pro, 4K front and 2K rear dashcam. The Rove R2 4K Dual Pro records true 4K front and 2K rear video using STARVIS 2 sensors. It includes Wi-Fi 6, GPS, a CPL filter, a free 128GB memory card, and supports 24-hour parking mode. This dashcam delivers sharp video and smooth performance at a competitive price. Wi-Fi 6 allows very fast video downloads, and the CPL filter helps reduce glare in bright conditions. Pros: excellent value for money, fast Wi-Fi 6 transfer speeds, includes memory card and CPL filter, clear daytime and night footage. Cons: smaller screen, no interior camera. The Rove R2 4K Dual Pro is a great choice for drivers who want high-quality recording at a reasonable price. These are the top 5 best top-selling dashcams of 2025. Whether you need full interior coverage, smart mirror technology, cloud connectivity, or the best value option, there is a dashcam here for you. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which dashcam you would choose.